Hey everybody, Dutchman Mods and Repairs, working on a Kenmore 700 series dryer today, and the scenario we have is a no heat condition. So we put the dryer on high settings, but we have no heat, so we're going to get this opened up. So let's get started. There's a bottom cover down here. There's these little tabs here. There's one here on the left hand side, one on the right hand side. You want to get a flat tip screwdriver, and you just want to push down, take the pressure off, and then kind of pull out. It'll kind of pop out, and then it'll get a bit easier on this side because this will be hanging out a little bit. Do the same thing coming here, and then you'll be able to pull the panel out like this, and it just rests on a couple of posts. Before we get into this, you want to unplug the dryer and remove the dryer from your electrical source, okay? Where I'm kind of pointing, general direction I'm pointing is the heating element. Okay, so the bottom screw down here, 1/4 inch. Crash, bang, boom. So this right here, the first thing you're looking at right there is ceramic block that's used as the connection points for the heating element. And we're talking about this guy right here. You take one lead off. So I put my meter in here, and it read basically infinity or open, which it should not be. I should get some kind of resistance there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug everything, get this heating element out, take a closer look and see if I can see inside where maybe there's a wire or that's broken. I'm going to get some pictures that are going to show what wires go where and things in here, and then get it out of the dryer. Yeah, let's get this guy out. Take a look at what we got. All right, so just a quick follow-up on what I found here. This is the heating element. I've taken it out of its sleeve where it rests inside this sheet here. It's literally just one screw over here. You can see that screw location up here at the top of the heating element. This heating element literally just slides down inside. Okay, took my multimeter and I put the leads on these 2 points here, and you should read very low resistance. You may read 10 ohms or less, something like that. But what you don't want to have is what I found here is an open. You see this here? It's very hard to see if you're just looking. If you're actually looking down through the sleeve there, and it's resting down inside there, you're probably not going to see it. And this is just confirmation from the resistance check. But with that open like that, that's literally like the heating element is unplugged. And that's the problem. So I've got one on order. This part number is a WP3387747. All right, so I just got the new heating element in for the dryer, and I wanted to show you all what the ohms reading is. I'm on a scale of 200. We're reading just over 11 ohms on this, so we know this is all good. So we're gonna go ahead and get this put back in. All right, so we're gonna have to fish and get our heating element tube kind of pushed back to there, get it seated. All right, so in my case here, if you look back up in here, got a bunch of different wires in here, right? But for me, the black one here goes up on top here. And then on the bottom, on the front, the red stripe there, and the bottom of that one. And now we're left with 2 wires to go into the heating element, which we have up front here. So in my case, I went with the solid red up top, and then wires striped coming from this to the bottom. So you have to put the shield on first, or this little support piece here, because there's a little 1/4 inch screw that goes, there's a lip of this that kind of feeds it up into, and then you kind of straighten it out like a tongue piece of metal here that straightens out. And then there's a 1/4 inch screw that cinches those two together. So you need to do that while you're outside the dryer here a little bit. You can do that with the wires connected, so you just have to kind of pull it out, you know, kind of into this area right here. Then you can still get it back in. You need 2 hands to kind of lift it up a little bit and work it in, because you got that tongue in the back that's got to go under and in. Then you'll line up down here, put your 1/4" screw in there, tighten that down, and you'll be good to go. So all we're gonna do at this point is put the cover back on the bottom here, plug it in, and give it a test. We got the dryer put back together again. Let's push start. And I've already verified this, that we actually have heat, but yeah, nice hot air now in the dryer. So yeah, I hope that helps somebody out. Got any questions or comments, you can drop those down below. Appreciate you watching this video. Thanks for watching. This is Dutch out.